Hello student, today we are going to study next chapter of organic chemistry, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. We know the functional groups of alcohols, phenols and ether. Alcohols and phenol having functional group hydroxy and ethers having functional group that is ROR. Then first of all, alcohols. These are hydroxy derivative of hydrocarbons which contain, that means one or more hydroxy group. These are hydrocarbons containing one or more hydroxy group. Then aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons also contain hydroxy groups. That means first one, aromatic alcohol. Aromatic alcohol means that is hydroxy group is present in side chain of aromatic ring. Suppose this is side chain of this benzene nucleus and this OH group, that is hydroxy group, is attached to this side chain. It is present on the side chain of aromatic ring. Then second, that is phenols. Phenols, these are also hydroxy group directly attached to benzene nucleus. In phenol, this hydroxy group is directly attached to benzene nucleus. The next one, that is ethers. Ethers means compounds which contain an oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl or aryl groups. That means these are having functional group ROR, that means this oxygen bonded to alkyl groups, or two aryl groups, that means AR. This is about these ethers, compound which contains an oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl or aryl groups. These alkyl groups, these may be same or different, or these aryl group also may be same or different, or it also contains one alkyl group and one aryl group. In this way, there is phenol, alcohols, phenols and ethers. The next point, that is classification of alcohol. This classification of alcohol, first one, that is on the basis of number of hydroxyl groups present in alcohol and phenol. First one, that is monohydric alcohol and phenol. Monohydric alcohol means, that means alcohol's molecule containing only one hydroxy group. It contains only one hydroxy group. And also phenols, monohydric phenols means it containing only one hydroxy group which is directly attached to benzene nucleus. Then second, that is dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol and phenol. Dihydric alcohol means, that means it contains two hydroxy group in the alcohol molecules are called as dihydric alcohol. And dihydric phenol means the molecule which containing two hydroxy groups which are directly attached to benzene nucleus is called as dihydric phenol. Then third one, that is trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohols and trihydric phenols. Trihydric means it contains three hydroxy group in alcohol molecules are called as trihydric alcohols. And trihydric phenol means which containing three hydroxy groups which are directly attached to benzene nucleus is called as trihydric phenols. Then second type of classification, that is on the basis of hybridization state. Classification on the basis of hybridization state. In this first, that is alcohol containing sp3 carbon OH bond. sp3 carbon OH bond. That means OH group is attached to, in this case OH group is attached to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom. OH group is attached to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom. These are again classified as primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. In primary alcohol, this OH group is attached to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom. But this carbon atom is primary carbon atom or first degree carbon atom. The first carbon atom, it is a primary carbon atom. Why it is called as primary carbon atom? Because this carbon atom attached to only one another carbon atom, hence it is called as primary carbon atom, and this hydroxy group is attached to primary carbon atom, hence it is called as primary alcohols. Then secondary alcohols, in this also this OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This carbon atom is also sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but it also secondary carbon atom. This is secondary carbon atom because this carbon atom is attached to another two carbon atoms. This carbon atom and this carbon atom. Hence, this hydroxy group is as it attached to secondary carbon atom, it is called as secondary alcohol. This molecule is called as secondary alcohol. Then third one, that is tertiary alcohol. In tertiary alcohol, this hydroxy group is again attached to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom. This carbon atom is also sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom, and it also tertiary carbon atom. This carbon atom is called as tertiary carbon atom because this carbon atom is attached to another 3 carbon atom. This carbon atom attached to another 3 carbon atom, hence this hydroxy group, this alcohol is called as tertiary alcohol. Then next one, that is allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol. In this allylic alcohol, again this OH group is attached to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom. Again, these are classified as primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Allylic alcohol is attached to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. Here on this next carbon atom of this sp3 hybridized carbon atom, there is carbon-carbon double bond, hence it is called as allylic alcohol. Then first one, primary alcohol. In primary alcohol, this OH group is again attached to primary carbon atom, hence it is called as primary alcohol. Then second one, secondary alcohol. Again, this is allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol means OH group is attached to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. This attached to carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. But this carbon atom is also secondary carbon atom. This carbon also called as secondary carbon atom, and this OH group as it's attached to secondary carbon atom, this alcohol is called as secondary alcohol. Then third one, tertiary alcohol. Again it is example of allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol means OH group as attached to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. But this carbon atom, it is also tertiary carbon atom. This carbon atom is a tertiary carbon atom because this carbon atom is attached to this carbon atom attached to 3 carbon atoms. This carbon is attached to 3 carbon atoms, hence it is called as tertiary carbon atom, and this alcohol, that is hydroxy group, as it attached to this tertiary carbon atom, it is called as tertiary alcohol. Then third one, that is benzylic alcohol. Third one, benzylic alcohol. In this compound also, hydroxy group is attached to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom and benzene next to benzene nucleus. sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom next to benzene ring or benzene nucleus. In this also, these are classified as primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol means this OH group attached to this sp3 hybridized carbon atom, it also attach only one carbon atom. This attached to only one this carbon atom of this benzene nucleus, hence it is called as primary alcohol. Then in secondary alcohol of this benzenic alcohol, that means this OH group attached to again sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom, but this carbon atom is secondary carbon atom, that means it attached to this one carbon and it is another second carbon atom of this benzene nucleus, hence totally it attached to two carbon atoms, hence it is called as secondary carbon atom. And hydroxy group, as it attached to secondary carbon atom, it is called as secondary alcohol. Then third one, tertiary alcohol. In this also this OH group attached to this sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom, but it attached to also another carbon atom. Two carbon atoms of this CH3 group and one carbon atom of this benzene nucleus. Hence, this hydroxy group, as it attached to tertiary carbon atom, it is called as tertiary alcohol of this benzylic alcohol. Then second, that is alcohol containing sp2 carbon OH bond. Alcohol containing sp2 carbon OH bond. In this compound, this OH group is attached to sp2 type of hybridized carbon atom. This carbon atom is sp2 type of hybridized carbon atom. This is also called as vinylic alcohol. Vinylic alcohol. An example of this, that is vinyl alcohol. In this way, there is classification of this alcohol. First one, on the basis of hybridization state, alcohol containing sp3 COH bond, and second, alcohol containing sp2 COH bond. The next one, that is classification of ethers. Ethers having general formula, that is ROR. Ether having general formula ROR. These are classified into two classes. First one, symmetrical ether, and second, unsymmetrical ethers. Symmetrical ethers are also called as simple ether, and unsymmetrical ether are also called as mixed ether. In symmetrical ether, these two alkyl groups which are attached to oxygen atom are same, or aryl groups which are attached on these oxygen atoms are same. These are called as symmetrical or simple ether. For example, on this oxygen atom there are two CH3 groups are attached here. These are same, hence this is example of this symmetrical ether. Name of this compound is dimethyl ether. That means two methyl groups are attached on this oxygen atom, hence it called as dimethyl ether. Then second example, that means aromatic ether, C6H5OC6H5. In this compound also, these two aryl groups which are attached on this oxygen atom are same, are called as symmetrical ether. Name of this compound is diphenyl ether. Then second, unsymmetrical ether. Unsymmetrical ether, that means these are having different alkyl groups which are attached on this oxygen atom. First example, that means CH3OC2H5. That means on this oxygen, these two alkyl groups which are attached are different. One is methyl group and second is ethyl group. That means two alkyl groups are different, hence this ether is called as unsymmetrical ether. Again another example, on this oxygen atom, one is phenyl group, that means C6H5, and another is CH3 group. Also here these two groups are different, hence this is an example of mixed ether. In this way there is classification of ethers, is symmetrical ether or simple ether, and second one unsymmetrical ether or mixed ether. Then today we studied that what is alcohols, phenols and ethers. Alcohols means that is these are hydroxy derivative of hydrocarbons. Phenol means that is these are hydroxy group present in the side chain of aromatic ring, that is aromatic alcohol. And phenols are hydroxy group directly attached to benzene ring. Then ethers, these are compound which contain an oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl or aryl groups. Then classification of alcohol, that is first one on the basis of number of hydroxyl group. These are again classified as monohydric, dihydric and trihydric. Monohydric means that containing only one hydroxy group, dihydric means containing two hydroxy group, trihydric means containing three hydroxy group. Then second, on the basis of hybridization state and type of carbon atom, first one alcohol containing sp3COH bond. These are also classified as primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Then second of this sp3COH bond, allylic alcohol. These are again classified as primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Then third one, benzylic alcohol, that means OH group is attached to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom next to benzene nucleus. Again these are classified as primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. And last one, that is classification of ethers, that means these are classified as symmetrical ether and unsymmetrical ether. Now today we will stop here. Thank you for watching.